أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that Allah in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Asr. Okay, Surah Al-Asr just has 3 ayahs. Inshallah we'll learn this. Alhamdulillah. So first I'm going to recite this surah and then let's look into Tajweed rulings.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
Alhamdulillah, just 3 ayahs. Alhamdulillah. So let's look into Tajweed rulings of these ayahs now. And number 1, wal-asr. Wal, this waw is connected to this lam. Wal-asr. Ain from the middle part of your throat, push that epiglottis. Wal-a-a. Okay, and recite it lightly. As you can see, the next letter is sod. We have to make it heavier. We should do isti'ala, due to which sometimes you may pronounce this ain heavily like wal-a, but don't do that. It is a light letter. It should be light. Wal-a, wal-as. At the end, you just rise the your back portion of the tongue, do isti'ala and make the sod heavily. Okay, or else it will sound like wal-asr. As that is wrong. It should be as. Okay, the sound of sod will little flow, okay, as we do hums there. Okay, and this raw will acquire temporary sukoon and we will pronounce that heavy. Why? Because the letter before it is sakin, the letter before that is with the fatha. Pronounce that raw heavily like asru. Not r, it should be ru. Fine. Wal asru. إن الإنسان لفي خسر. إن نون مشدد to count غنة, but stretching is only one. إن, okay, connect that to this lam. إن الإنسان إنسان إخفاء بالتو كان غنة, سين for 2 حركة. إن الإنسان لفي, لا 1 count, في 2 حركة, لفي خسر. خسر. Okay, خو little heavier, خو. Seen, sakina, just flow a little sound because we do hums there as well, right? Whistling sound will be there. Khus, in this way. And ra will be pronounced heavily as it acquires temporary sukoon. Here there is dhamma, therefore ra is heavy here. Khusru, not khusr, light. It is not light, it should be heavier. Khusru. إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. إلا, lam mushaddad, you have to emphasize it, not ila, illa. And you can see there is alif maddiya, but we are not going to read it while connecting. When you see any huruf al-mad followed by the connecting hamza, that is hamzatul wasl, so while connecting it we will cancel the hamzatul wasl and also that mad. Okay, alif mad, waw mad, ya mad will be cancelled even if there is standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, which is also called as huruf al-mad saghira. Okay, alif saghira, waw saghira, ya saghira, even that will get cancelled. So you'll not recite illal but just illal. Okay, illalladhina, not a z, no buzzing sound. illalladhina, dhina, 2 haraka, ya mad. illalladhina آمنوا stretch it to haraka آمنوا آمنوا no for 2 count وعملوا عين not hamza وعملوا. Here you can see dhamma followed by waw, which is actually in a sakin state because it is waw maddiya, right? I recited with 2 count, right? Amanu wa amilu. But now while connecting this word to this next word, due to this connecting hamza, even this waw maddiya, just like how alif maddiya got cancelled, this will also get cancelled. While stopping, you will say إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا to haraka. But while connecting, lus, not, you're not reading this waw maddiya, you're not reading this silent or extra alif, you're not reading hamzatul wasl and also the lam shamsiya, directly connecting this lam to this sod, and sod is heavily pronounced, okay? وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ saw heavy and 2 count stretch, solihati, ha also to haraka and also make it very sharp, solihati solihati watawasaw watawa. This waw is for 2 haraka here. Watawasaw, not a saw. If you say saw, that is light, right? It will become seen. You have to pronounce this little heavier. Do isti'ala and also waw lean here. Aw kind of sound. Not watawasaw. Watawasaw is wrong. Watawasaw. So, okay. Watawasaw bilhaqq. Bil, ba is connected to this lam of the word al-haq. Hamzatul wasl is here, which is not read. Bil haq. Ha very sharp. Qaf should have that q sound, not kh, soft sound, because the last part of the tongue touches the soft palate. If you touch the hard palate, it will sound like a ka, and if you pronounce from the throat, it will sound like a kha. Okay, it should be a qa. And you can see there are 2 signs of waqf here. One is to say you will not stop, you have to continue. Another is this one, the number 5, which is considered to be just like stopping at the end of an ayah. You can stop here. Ayat Kufi, we say this, okay? You will just find this in the Madidi Musaf, which we use in the subcontinental countries, not in the Usmani Musaf, this number 5 one, okay? If you want to stop, that is okay, no problem. You can stop and then continue from here as the ayah is long. While stopping, what you do qalqala, but the qalqala will be stronger as there is tashdeed here. How to do stronger qalqala? The normal qalqala will be bil haq, but now as there is tashdeed, you should say bil haq, haq. If you want to stop with a qalqala, you will have to do this kind of qalqala, and that is compulsory, because if you just don't do that, it means you're removing this tajdeed. Adding and removing tajdeed is lahn al-jali, right? This qaf, double qaf is important here for this word, because the main root word is ha qaf and qaf. 2 qaf is compulsory there, so you should pronounce it a little strongly. Emphasize there. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ. If you want to continue, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. وَتَوَاصَوْا, same word, وَتَوَاصَوْا. وَتَوَاصَوْا, heavily, so. Sorry, now it is bis, है ना? Ba is connected to the letter so, then so is pronounced heavily, biso, in this way, okay, biso. Now this letter ba with the qalqala and a ra sakina, as this kasra will convert into sakin while stopping, ra sakin will be heavy, okay, bisabr, sabr. Ba with the qalqala, not ra. Ba, pronounce it with qalqala and then pronounce ra, bisabr. Okay, and ra should be heavier. Alhamdulillah. Let's read this long ayah. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Alhamdulillah. So that is the Surah Al-Asr. We have completed learning all the 3 ayahs. Alhamdulillah, very easy surah with the easy rulings, right? You will recite this inshallah on Saturday. Fine. Any doubts? 1 second. I'm going to turn your mics on, inshallah. Yes. Any doubts?
No, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.